I'm Suganti Mayadi. Now I would like to share my opinion about ASEA scenario. Based on ASEA scenario, my opinion about ASEA dietary intake was not healthy dietary. For breakfast, she took healthy food, but for lunch and a snack was not under healthy dietary food. Carrier is unrefined food. We can say all foods are plant foods that are unprocessed and unrefined. For an example, whole grain, beans, fruits, and vegetables, which are all excellent sources of fiber, vitamins, mineral, and phytonutrients. Refined food are highly processed food that have been stripped of their original nutrient content and fiber. For an example, processing cereal and white bread that took by ASEA. Then white bread contain high glycemic index and processing cereal is containing low glycemic index. Then the three main categories of fatty acid based on the degree of saturation is saturated fatty acid, polyunsaturated fatty acid, and monounsaturated fatty acid. Polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats are both unsaturated fats. Saturated fatty acid is fully occupied by hydrogen atom in animal sources and it contains of solid at room temperature. And the saturated fatty acids are saturated with hydrogen contain only single bond without any double bond. It associates with an increased risk of heart disease. Monounsaturated fatty acid has one double bond between carbons. Monounsaturated oil are liquid at room temperature but start to solidify at refrigerator temperature. Canola, olive, and peanut oils, avocados are the sources of monounsaturated fat. It reduces heart disease risk also. Polyunsaturated fatty acid has two or more double bond between carbon. Polyunsaturated oils are liquid at the room temperature and in the refrigerator. Common sources of polyunsaturated fats are like a sunflower seed, corn, soybean, many nuts and seeds and their oils. Essentially, the unsaturated fatty acids are omega-3, omega-6 fatty acid. Okay, the types of fatty acids in our ASEA favorite food is cheese fat and trans fat. Okay, now I would like to compare the cheese fat and trans fat. Cheese fat under health effect is generally good for health unless it's consumed of reasonably high quantities, and trans fat we can say detrimental. It means the lower good cholesterol and increase the level of bad cholesterol in the body, and also it's harmful to heart health and can cause the cardiac death. Then cheese fat, yes, is occurred naturally, and in the trans fat, what some natural trans fats occur in meat and dairy products. That a majority of trans fat come from the processed food. For example, hydrogenated oil. Then the arrangement of atoms under cheese fat is a chain of carbon atoms on the same side of the double bond, and it will resulting in a king. Okay, and the trans fat, the arrangement of the atom is hydrogen atom are on the opposite of the side double bond of the carbon chain and making the fat molecule straight. Then the melting point in cheese fat is usually low, and some cheese fat are liquid at room temperature, and the melting point in the trans fat is usually high, and the trans fat like saturated fat are solid at room temperature. Okay, then the alternative ingredient in cake or cookies to replace margarine is we can substitute 1 cup of vegetable oil or olive oil which are trans fat free. Moreover, it will reduce risk of heart problem and contain vitamin A, D, E and K. Okay. Furthermore, the alternative cooking methods for fried chicken is we can use oven to fry the chicken without using high content of oil, and it will reduce our cholesterol by cooking in the oil, right? And then the secondly, my opinion is like remove the chicken skin, because chicken skin is content of high cholesterol. Okay, then the way to modify ASEA eating habits in controlling a blood glucose level is firstly she must take food based on the food pyramid, or she must do a schedule by taking low calories such as vegetables, fruits, and protein content item, and also healthy dietary foods. Moreover, she must do exercise regularly to avoid high blood glucose. Then the type of main macronutrients in Harmang's favorite food, which is under scenario 2, is a quinoa. Quinoa is a carbohydrates, content of carbohydrates, protein and fats. In eggs is a foods is a content of protein, iron, vitamin, mineral, and in lean beef is content of protein, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin D, zinc, potassium, and magnesium. So overall, the Arming's favorite foods is content of full natural content of nutrients foods. Okay, then I would like to share the functions of the protein, carbohydrates, fat, minerals, and vitamins. So the protein's function is build new tissue, antibodies, enzymes, hormones, and other compounds. The carbohydrates function is provides energy. Fats function is provides long-term energy, insulation, and protection also. So vitamins is facilitate use of other nutrition, involves in regulating growth and manufacturing hormones. And minerals also help build bones and teeth, and it aid in muscle function and nervous system activity. Then lastly, the requirement of Armang favorite food are increased by illness and injury because its content of more macronutrients and make physically active. This can help to build and repair tissue. Important is then it's important building blocks of bones, muscle, cartilage, skins, and blood. Moreover, it helps to fuel athlete brain, kidney, heart, muscle, and central nervous system. Food is the body fuel. Proper nutrition leads to better performance for athlete. So it's provide body with the right nutrients will be rewarded with high energy and more muscle and faster recovery. Lastly, nutrition food reduce chronic diseases. Thank you.